Hey, we are live. Good morning, fellas. Good morning, Timbo. Let's get that money. That's right. Amit, good morning. Sahil, Gutenberg, good morning. Namak, good morning. Nicholas, NP, good morning. How goes it, fellas? All right, market. What are you going to do to us today? Man, we had a pretty violent session in the overnight. Big move higher, kind of choppy action here. Pretty interesting. I don't know what to expect today, to be honest. The daily chart, still think we're gonna be. I wouldn't be shocked if we maybe we make a move up to like the 230, 240 area and then we sell off. This big of a red candle, I'm going to have to think we're going to see a little more continuation to the downside. It's kind of my theory, but I guess we'll find out. Meanwhile, I need to use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Okay, market going lower right off the rip here. Very interesting indeed. Oh, good morning, Design Knob, Pine Tree Trader. John, good morning, John. Perfect Play, Jose, good morning. Scalping with Tom. Peter Shap, good morning. Larry, Garrett, good morning. Amakre, good morning. Nao in the house. Good morning, Nao. All right. This market ripping. We had a really steady, slow, methodical move higher here in the pre-market. Really didn't take advantage of it. I should have, but I didn't. Excuse me. Hey, Lou VT, good morning. Where do I get the clock from the screen? It is a add-on. It's basically just I add it to my Streamlabs, but it is from the Windows app. It's just a Windows app, and then I add it to my Streamlabs. I'm definitely going to be waiting just till price kind of makes it. I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised if we were range bound today, but I am kind of expecting that we at least test the 20,000 levels again at some point today. I'm definitely not going to be. I'm going to be pretty open to going short or long. I'm going to try to be pretty open-minded. Hey, let's go, John. That 800, the opening trade. Let's go. Nicely done, John. Let's get it. Shameless new highs for YM. Oh, man. Hey, Rosie Rose. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Mertz. Brass Donkey, good morning. We are, I don't know, this looks like we're going to, I don't know, I'm looking for this thing to test the lows here before we kind of make a decision on where we go from here. I'm also, the open is going on right now, so I'm watching the open. I will apologize in advance if you feel like I'm distracted, but I'm mainly just listening to it. But yeah, I am hoping I can maybe go golfing today. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. All right, getting some pretty nice wicks here to the upside for a bounce off the 2100s here. Wow, look at this move lower now. We're right here at the kind of mid of the overnight session. We're also right here at VWAP, so Maybe we see a bounce. This is looking like we could dump. If this doesn't hold. Hey, good morning, Clarity. Good morning, Namak. Oliver, good morning. Matty Matt, good morning, Matty Matt. How we doing? Go Hand Trades, good morning. All right, are we going to get a bounce here or not? Does anyone know when Apex will be back on the Discord, Namak? I don't know a date, no. I heard some rumors that it's going to be sometime in August, but I don't know. Switch to 25Ks after the 150K fiasco. What was the fiasco on 150Ks? Does anyone know when Apex getting incorrect fills and double orders? Yeah, one thing, if you're experiencing lag, make sure you do not just keep hitting buttons. Anytime you experience lag and you know that you've hit the close button, don't do anything. That's one thing I've learned. The more buttons you keep pressing, the worse it will just make things 10 times worse. Hey, good morning, R5 Studios. How's it going? 15 days trading and then blew the account. Oh, I see now what you mean, Matty Matt. I'm sorry, man. Especially being that close to a payout on a 150K account. Man, that sucks. That is not fun. Okay, here we go. I do think we're going to test this 20,000 level again, and it's looking more and more that way, but at the moment, just trying to be patient. And there we go. Just keep going lower. Okay, here we go. Down to 20,050. He just passed the 4 evals in one trade. What great problems to have, Matty Matt. Are you saying now you're bored? Maybe you should start trading micros so you don't pass them so fast. That we have something to do the rest of the day. Is YM doing its thing again? Hang on, let me look. YM is on a whole different level. YM is... What is going on with YM? Look at that move. Jeez. That's crazy. What in the world? What the Sam Hill is going on here? Hey, good morning, least estimator. Good morning. Yeah, it has zero shame. Money out of tech and going into YM. It does feel like that, John. It does definitely feel like that. All right, let's see. We just continue lower. I mean, this target 20,000 is got to be where we're heading. Here we go. 20,000 incoming. What a move. I mean, anyone play this double top from the previous overnight highs? It actually went through my mind. I'm like, man, I should just play this double top. But of course I didn't. Hey, TCG Andy, good to hear. Good to hear. Okay, one thing I didn't realize until last night was the codes. If the codes, the giveaway codes are only good for every account size except for the 25K account for some reason. I'm not sure why, but that is how they, that is what it is. You only made $40 on it, John. Well, I guess, I mean, that's better than losing money, or it's better than zero. All right, now the question is, definitely not surprised to see a bounce here. Man, Rory McIlroy is having a tough day at the Open. 6 over. Yikes. Actually, I'm going to try to hold. No guarantees that I'm going to wait, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to try to hold. Come on. Come on, Bears. Push this thing down. You know you want the 20,000 level. You know you want it. Just do it. Ah, that's a terrible close to this candle. And we're stopped out. Break even. It was worth a shot. We might try it again. Let's just be patient. Be patient. News at 10. Oh, that's probably a great idea for me to actually pay attention to the news. Okay, Thursday, July 18th. This news shouldn't be anything that is important. We should be good. All right, yep, this is taking a pretty hefty bounce off of the 30 level. I might look to short again here at the 88s. Oh, Netflix has earnings after the close, John? Okay, good to know, good to know. Usually those are some pretty crazy moves. All right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do something different. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do this. Hey, I did not want to take profit there. Dick on it. Now what do I do? Ah. All right, we really need to get below this 40 level. Really need to get below it. I really mean to be in 2 contracts here, but I'm not. All right, I'm gonna take it off. I'm hoping I can get back in. That's unfortunate. I guess I could have added there. I should have maybe just added to my winner there, and then I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't really like, I definitely don't like longs here. I just want to, yeah, now it's going to dump and I'm not going to be able to get in. Feels bad. I'm hoping this tests the 60 level again. Looking pretty bearish. Still think we're going to the 20,000 level. All right, here we go through the 40s. Ooh, getting a bounce here. See. Is he going to rip here? Wow, it is ripping. We ripping. Very nice bounce right here off the 20 level. See if we keep going. Man, I'm not sure I want to go short again. That bounce kind of scared me a little bit. I'm not sure I want to be going short now. This could continue to move higher now. We bounced right off of the pre-market lows. Maybe short, but not yet. Yeah, I think we might. I think at minimum, maybe we come up and test the 90 level here. I'll just be patient. Yeah, we're just ripping. She ripping, boys. Man, it's tempting to short this. Man, I don't know what. I don't know. I just don't trust going short right now. I just don't trust it. We've been this move here, this bounce, this rip higher. That's got me scared. I think I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait and be patient here on. I'm not exactly excited about going long either, so let's just wait. Wait and be patient. We shall be patient. We should partner with Daily Wire to make Nutty Bar. Why? What Daily Wire? Daily Wire. What is Daily Wire? What's my favorite time chart? 2 minutes, Carla. I trade 2 minutes almost. That's what I use. I look at the 30. I have a 15-minute chart over here. And then I do look at the 60-minute chart. Oh, wow, guys, look. Do you remember when we put this Fibonacci marker on? We did bounce right off of that 20,020 levels, kind of holding up. Kind of holding up now. Very interesting. But yeah, I look at the 4-hour chart, but I trade everything off the 2-minute chart. Man, I want to go short. Okay, there's what we're gonna do. No! Okay, I need to reevaluate my take profit on that. That ATM is not made for micros, but hit my profit target again before I was able to move the profit target. Man. I might kill this one. I think this ATM I made, but this was for using minis, which is my first profit target is at 20 ticks. And that's just way too soon. All right, we got to break down below the 50s here. I might switch to minis. Volatility isn't that bad right now. I mean, it's kind of bad, but not terrible. I should have stayed in this trade. Should have stayed in it. See if we can get below the 40s here. Bryson DeChambeau's also 5 over. Wow. There's definitely been some rough goings on the Open so far. I'm wondering, when is Scotty Scheffler's, I think, is set to tee off at 10:10. Volatility equals good. Maybe for some people. All right. Definitely The bulls seem to be, they don't seem to be done yet. Just gonna wait. Getting a nice rip higher now. All right, this 2090, this 90 level is going to be interesting. See if we just rip right through it. I think I need to look at taking some longs. And getting rejected off of the 90s. Right now, anyway. Wow, that's a big wick. And right back up. This is looking pretty bullish. We ripping through the 90s now. We are ripping. All right. All right. I'm a believer. I'm a believer. Wow, look at this. Through the 100s now. The bulls are in control. This is definitely when this candle happened, that trapped all the shorts. And then we retested this. Definitely would have been a good long right here. In hindsight, that's easy to see, but you're a believer. Look at how Rips trades only volatility with 15-point stop loss. Yeah, that's fine. I don't compare my trading to other people. That's the thing. I don't really care how other people trade. Do I want to take a stab here? Hang on. All right, market. Are we going to rip? I'm going to wait. See if we don't get more of a pullback here. Pull them back. Maybe to the 70s. Not more of the pullback than that. All right. Whoa, big That was a interesting move. Hmm. The probability, yeah. I mean, if the volatility is high, in my opinion, if the volatility is high and you're going in, I mean, if you lower your risk to micros so you can have a big stop loss, that to me makes sense. But if you're going to trade with a tight stop loss and high volatility, I feel like that's, it can definitely, but you have to have like perfect entries. Nutty Bar, can we still request a payout on Saturday? So Saturday is the 20th? Yes. Yeah, you can request a payout up to midnight of the 20th, Eastern Standard Time. Yep. Or I feel like when there's high volatility, that's when you need to have big stop losses. And then, it just depends, I guess, how much you're willing to risk. And it also requires, how would I say, feel like it requires faster and quicker decision making. Because if you're a little bit hesitant on high volatility, then you're gonna miss out. But we keep kind of hanging out here at the 90 level here. Hey, Jordan Spieth is teeing off. I think it's Jordan Spieth and Jordan Spieth and Scotty Scheffler are they're going in the same group, I think. Oh, let me look. Yeah. I'm very curious if how Scheffler's going to play. I'm very curious. The positive side of high volatility is your take profit can be reached really quickly. All right, we're kind of getting some choppiness here. Man, I want to go short here. I feel like I shouldn't be, but I want to. Wait a minute. It's just the kids playing. Heard someone banging out on my window. You hate trading near VWAP? Go ahead, trades. Yeah, I kind of agree. It's very choppy here. Feels like it. I mean, I guess right now there's no reason to think this won't just keep going higher. Every little move lower is just getting bought up. Might be worth taking a stab here, but All right, I'll take that. Very choppy. Very choppy here. And now we're getting that move lower. Man. Let's sit on our hands. Let's just wait. No need to get too aggressive. Apex nighttime trading is best. I agree. I like trading nights. Nighttime trading, I think, is slower, methodical moves seem to be in the overnight session a lot more. I like that. All right. Again, this just keeps getting bought up as, you know, every little move lower is just getting bought up. I guess we just, I mean, it seems to be very aggressive buying here. Look at that. Wow. All right, let's see if we get above the 100, 110s. I guess we just got to buy the dips. You got to buy the pullbacks here. It looks like that's pretty impressive. Justin Thomas leading the Open right now. That's pretty impressive. I hope, oh, that'd be pretty cool if Justin Thomas won. I get risk management, but you spend too much time worrying. Trading ever after. Well, that's sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't necessarily worry, but I definitely do become, I definitely am more hesitant. I'm definitely more hesitant, and I'm more hesitant trading on stream. Like, I know that, but it is what it is. Yeah, Justin Thomas. Yeah, the Open is definitely. I started watching this morning at 8, and man, those greens are bouncy. It's crazy. And now we're pulling back again. All right, I am not taking no more trading until this breaks through one or the other. This is very choppy right here at VWAP. Hey, good morning, Win. Let's see if the bulls are going to buy up the dip again. Okay, here we go. Hey, I'm doing great. Win, we're doing great. Trying to make money, you know, living the dream. I think. And here comes the pullback. All right. We just never could get above this 100 level. Never could get above it. Now we're pulling back through the 60s. Are we going to test the 20,000 level? Because this now has trapped the longs are now trapped. Let's see if we have a continuation here or not. We could go either way here. Tiger Woods with a nice putt. Let's go. Give me 1 second, guys. I need to go get my water. New all-time highs on YM. Get out of town. That's crazy. How much are the 50K with code NBT? I think Rhythmic it's like $37.40 or $33 and something. But put the code in and it'll tell you what the price is. Me and Braden have the same handicap. Trading ever after. Let's go. What's my handicap? I don't even know what officially my handicap is. Yeah, 3440. Use the best code in the industry, like 0 Day J. I'm gonna steal his line. NBT, best code, best pass rate, best payout rate, according to the prop firm Streets. I stole that direct from 0 Day Trade. All credit to him. All right, I'll be right back. And we're back. Okay. A fake dump jam bear, you think? I don't know. It could be. I want to see. Let's see, are we going to get a continuation and just go right back up? Looks like it. It looks like it. This is definitely looking good for the bulls. The other option is we just go sideways and trade in a range the rest of or most of the day. That is the other thing that could happen here. This is the 60-minute chart. Looking pretty choppy right now. You missed my yesterday's stream? Stop trading. That was yesterday. Yesterday, we're good. We are good to go. Here we go. See if we get above the 90s, get above the 110s. Tiger Woods -1 right now. Only 2 off the lead. Man, wouldn't that be an awesome... I don't even need Tiger to win. If he can just be in contention on a Sunday, would be some great... It would be some great TV. Oh, that would be great. You're gonna short to 22 on the to the 20s. Where's the 20s? I wouldn't be shocked. I wouldn't be shocked. Right now, I wouldn't be surprised if we go take out the highs here at the 160s. I wouldn't be surprised if we go down to the 20,000s at this point. To be quite honest, NQ, anything can happen. And we really shouldn't be surprised whatever NQ does, because NQ is crazy. She crazy. The 15-minute looking like, oh, I mean, very similar, very choppy. We're just in the middle of a range. Middle of a range, but looking at the overall trend, I gotta be more bearish than bullish. Hang on 1 second, guys. All right, we're back. Yeah, it seems like going long YM right now, you cannot lose. What is the lifetime fee for the 150K, Jen? Right now, the promotion with Apex is you can get the lifetime fee for 150K, 250K, and the 300K for a lifetime fee of $85, which is really good. A really good deal. That's why I have 20 accounts again, and all of them except for 3 accounts are the 150s or 250s. I just want to take advantage of that $85 lifetime fee. They got me. They got me. All right, here we go. Looks like we going lower, folks. I didn't have the nerve to short here at the 90s, but definitely if you took this short here at the 85s, nicely done. Let's see now. Let's see if we go below the 40s. We got to actually see and get some continuation here. The way this market's been today, we're going to come right back up into this 70 range. Very choppy today. Very choppy. You can get a 50K lifetime for 85? No, you cannot, almighty. So right now, the promotion is only for the 150K, 250K, and the 300K accounts. Those are the only 3 accounts that you can get a lifetime fee for $85. And that's for a Trade-Evade account as well. But the lifetime fee for the 50K account, I think, is $140 for the Rhythmic accounts. Hey, good morning, Mitch Marvin. Got my email for first payouts. Oh, awesome. International payment, it will come from Plane. Yes, you need to set up a Plane account and you need to follow the instructions on how to set up your Plane account. Make sure everything's set up correctly. Because Apex can't pay you if you don't have your Plane. I assume you're international, Mitch Marvin. If you're international, you have to get paid through Plane. If you're domestic, if you're in the U.S., you can just set up an ACH, and they will just send you the money directly into your bank account. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. YM has taken new highs again. Whoa, I just looked away for 1 second. Look at this. Down we go 20,000s, and we look at that 20,000 level. Boom. I could be like a guru now and take my recording that I was saying right here and be a guru and sell courses. What do you think, guys? I'll just record. I will say we're going higher to the 20,200. I'll record that, and then I'll also record me saying it'll go to the 20,000s, and then I'll just use one of the recordings, and then it'll look like I'm a genius. Wow, what a move. What a move. We're all the way down through the 80s now. She ripping lower, folks. Now, the session lows was 90 or the 66s. So, obviously, that's going to be an interesting level. There she goes. Nicely done, Trading Ever After. Nicely done. Nicely done. NQ's going down to close the gap. It's already closed the gap. She 100% $10,000 course. By the way, guys, here I gotta show you something. This boggles my mind. Oh man, I wanted to show you guys this. I'm not even kidding. Look at this, guys. This is like, and I don't even, this might be legit, but I don't want to really share who sent me this. I mean, I don't really care. But see, this is the kind of stuff that people get. Hey, love your personal brand. Get straight to the point. Blah, 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 blah. I'm not a robot. Okay. maybe I shouldn't share her contact information. I apologize. But anyway, we recently helped XYZ, 180,000 Instagram followers. They make $83,000 from an online course. And they're offering to create a course. They're going to create my course. And then they say, and we do all of this on a completely pay on results basis, meaning you only pay us when you profit and you cannot lose. I'm like, are you serious? That's just crazy. But anyway, market all-time market going lower down to the 960s. Wow. Imagine you went short here and just held. One of these days, it might be a couple years from now, but one of these days I'm going to catch a move like this. But Josephine Van Winkle. I don't care, man. That's a nice name. But it's crazy. Like, I mean, I'm not really blaming them, but I can only assume that people get, like, traders get these emails, and then this is how they get suckered into, you know, creating a course. But basically, you know what they do? They literally create a course, and they take clips from your existing YouTube videos that are on there for free, and then they put those videos behind a paywall and call it a course. Like, that is legit what they do. And then somehow people fall for it. It's actually insane. Anyway. Okay, session low currently is 940. Wow. Raise your hand if you got trapped in the longs. The bears are in control still. Thoughts on my funded future? I haven't looked into it enough. The only thing that I know that I've seen a lot is, like, they have a cap on your payouts. They cap you on how much. They don't. I think they have a consistency rule, but on top of a consistency rule, even if you stay within the consistency rules, if you're not on their live funded account, then they will not pay you more than $25,000. So even if you make more, it's just too bad. That has always seemed a little sketchy to me, but I don't know enough about it. I do know that Sage from MFF, he would be the sole reason that I would never trade with MFF. Because he's just a flat out idiot. Minimum balance not met. So I'm sorry, I can't pronounce your name. But one of my 150Ks for the reason minimum balance not met. So usually what that means is, so once you request a payout, let's say you request a payout on the 150K. In order to request a payout, you would need to have the balance at $155,100. But if you trade that account before it's approved and the balance goes below that 155,100, if it goes below it, then you will get denied because the minimum balance isn't met. So you have to keep the balance above it. And especially if you happen to trade that account before you get approved and you blow the account, you also don't get your payout. That's why I always say, don't trade your accounts that are pending approval or under review. Don't trade them. Just wait. Wait till accounts are actually approved before you trade. Design knob. Oh my God. You know how many of those comments I need to, that I have to go through and delete? Hey, Mr. Anna Baxter, she really changed my life. And then right below that, there's 15 comments. Oh yeah, she helped me as well. Oh, yeah, yep. She donated a kidney to me as well. Oh, she's the best thing ever. Oh my, like, how does YouTube not know, like, that is spam and just automatically delete it? You know what really drives me crazy is on other YouTube channels, I see those comments and then the creators just keep those comments up. Like, if I see those comments, I'm not saying that some of them don't, get it, but oh my gosh, I delete those comments like ASAP. I didn't trade it after reaching 155, 104. Really? That is really odd then. I would definitely submit a ticket. That seems to be an error. That seems to be an error. Design Knob says, it's probably because you have a Russian name. That's why they denied it. I'm just kidding. That's not why. Look at this. Okay, I need to stay focused here and pay attention. We got a big move here. Oh, wow. Man, what a dump. What an absolute dump fest. She ripping. All right, here we go through the 20s. Through the 15, down to the 15s, down to the 10s. Unbelievable. Made 1,200 being long, maybe count my blessings. Yeah, I feel pretty fortunate to have this trade as a long and be good. And I feel feel pretty blessed on my other accounts. Other accounts doing okay. I have one small red one, but doing pretty well. Gonna try to get that red one to green, but a pretty decent day so far. I did not catch any of this move lower though. Feels bad. Feels bad. I mean, we went through the 20,000 level and now we're already down to the 19,900 level. Like, that took a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took 12 minutes to dump 100 points. 12 minutes, folks. I bet the DCA gang is in serious max pain right now. The DCA gang, they started buying right here. They bought more here. They bought more here. And they're suffering. It's absolute pain and suffering right now. It's pain and suffering right now, man. Feels bad. You hate to see it. You hate to see it. Where is this market going? Let's look. 4-hour chart. We got to think the next level is going to be around the 750 level. 740, 750. I mean, this right here, the 900s could also be an area, but right now it doesn't seem like the market has any intentions of going higher. This is crazy. I'm kind of hesitant to trade because right now I'm pretty content being up $180. And I don't know. It's always scary trading markets like this when it just seems to only want to go lower. And everyone, it's always easy in hindsight, be like, oh yeah, just short. But guess what? If you short at the wrong time, then you're going to be in some pain, because the bounces are 50, 60 point bounces. So you got to be very, very careful with where you choose to go long. This market can really put the pain on you. And here it is, our first bounce, already 20 points. We already bounced 20 points off the 900 level. Make that 30 points. Man, I'm switching back to micros. This is way too volatile. And I might look at taking a stab here short. If we get up to like the 50s, 45, 50 area right here, I think I'm going to take a stab at it. I might not get it. Wow, and look at that. Just like that, we went from... That's so volatile. 20-point moves in a matter of 10 seconds. Man. Yeah, Trader's Chick. I agree. My brain works with a 50K accounts. Oh, yeah, okay. That's why you take the loss and move on. Yeah, 100%. I agree. YM, where's YM at? That crazy beast. Oh, wow, look at that. YM actually pulling back. No shot. It's crazy. If YM doesn't go higher, then NQ's really in trouble. Really in trouble. Man, oh man, do I... Is this gonna dump? Here we go. Oh, not so fast. See, that's what's crazy. This, ugh. I'm gonna sit on my hands. Keep your hands where I can see them. Hey, D-Versatility in the house. How you doing? You would think a 50K can with 2,000. Oh, yeah, Trader's Chick, I know. Giovanni, how we doing? Let's go, John. You're catching the bounces. My goodness. Whew. I did too. I was playing with fire. I traded this bounce on right here. Look at this. First bounce, second bounce. I was butt clenching the whole time. 100% butt clenching. So I feel like I need to stop trading. Just sit on my hands, because this is where you can get wrecked in about 2 seconds. But it's tempting right here to try to catch a bigger bounce right here. We failed to go higher net or go lower. So we might be looking at a little bigger bounce here, maybe up to the 60s. There has to be news? Not really. It's just, I mean, NQ was due to have some correction. Let's look at the daily chart. This is basically, It's just a correction. There's no need to panic, no need to freak out. You know, we're just seeing one of these correction pullbacks like this. This pullback here was the 730s. Is about a, oh man, I am terrible at 17.4. About 1,000-point move lower. So we're actually at 1,000-point move lower already. So yeah, that's interesting. All right, here's the big green boner candle. Now all those guys that you just go short. Now that's the problem right here. But here we go. Move up into the 60s. Now just got to see if we are going to keep going. I don't want to step in front of this train. Wow, look at that rip. That is crazy. Whoops. That was my first mute of, I think my first mute in like a month. I was just saying how this volatility is crazy. You can make a lot of money on volatility, but you can also lose a lot of money very, very quickly. Don't get it twisted. But wow, what a rip higher. We are a 90-point move now in a matter of 2 minutes. You better put on your big boy pants today. You better put on your big boy pants. So we ain't messing around. Okay, now if I was very aggressive here, I would go short. Or if I was stupid, I would go short right here. Not sure which one, but might be a little bit of both. I have a pretty tight stop loss here, so. Yeah, I'm going to just take it at break even, I guess. I don't trust this thing can just rip lower or rip higher now. We'll take our little scalp. I was hoping it would just give me a big red boner candle, but nope. Unbelievable. I mean, this is crazy. Literally 100-point move in 6 minutes. 6 minutes, 100-point move. Boom. Boom. Why do most people trade NQ? Yeah, I mean, probably, I don't know. Probably because we're degenerates is why we trade NQ. I don't know. But once you trade NQ and then you try to go back to trading ES, it's like you have a hard time staying awake. No, not really, but it just seems like it takes forever to get something going. What a rip higher here. Absolutely crazy. Man, I'm really glad that I just cut my loss or took my break even there. A green boner candle. This is ruthless. This is crazy. Go grab a beer, folks, and hang on. D-Gens can add the DCA gang. John, that's a good point. That is a good point. I mean, market go up. Market only go higher. All right, I might short again right here. Gosh, I'm going to do it. Don't betray me now. Hey. Okay, I'm not going to let this thing do anything stupid. I have regrets. Major regrets already. Why did I do this? This was so stupid. Stupid me. If it was a stupid trade, then I should just get out. That's what I'm going to do. That was a dumb trade. Or was it? No, it was. It was a dumb trade for sure. I don't care if it even goes. If it goes lower now, it still was a dumb trade. But man, that's a crazy move. Definitely struggling a little bit right here at this 20 level. 20 level is a pretty important level. And let's see if we get a little bit more of a pullback. If we do, I think I mean I feel pretty confident going. Just looking for another trade here around the 90s, I guess. Or this thing just keeps going straight up. Who knows? Who knows, man? Come on, pull back. Pull it back. Pull it back, Charles. Come on. I think it will. I think it will pull back. There we go. Come on. There we go. Pull them back. Holy, this is where it gets pretty dangerous. Okay, here we go. Down to this 80. Man, do I trust this? Oh. Hmm. I'm stepping in front of a train here. Man. Yeah, that was bad. All right. Come on. Need continuation here. There we go. Let's go. That was little butt clenching there for a second, but we held through it. We're fine, and nobody was injured. Hey, Alpin having a great day. That's awesome. Let's go. You love to see it. And we're coming right back down. Oh, there's some market is definitely giving us volatility. That's for sure. Yeah, it was the old click and clench trade. I mean, I was looking for a pullback to this 90-80 level, and we got it. It's where I just got to pull the trigger and then be okay with the results. That's really what it ends up. That's really what it is. Just got to pull the trigger, be okay with the results. It's going to go higher, says Junior. Hey, I hope you're right, and I hope you take the trade. Wow, Jordan Spieth is one under through 3 holes. You hate to see it, Tiger Woods. +2 through 5. Wait, Brandon Emmett, are you serious? You just save your PAs from $5 of drawdown? Let's go. Let's go. That feels like you just snatched one. You just oh, that's an awesome feeling. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, I need... Man, now it's feeling like this thing might go lower again. And there it goes. Wow. All right. Man, I really should. How do you guys determine when it's time to stop trading? I'm actually curious. How do you guys determine when it's time to stop trading? I'm taking a lot of scalps on this volatility, and so far it's been working really well. This is through all of my accounts, but at the same time, I feel like I'm one trade away from getting trapped, if that makes sense. Hey, Ponzi is in the house. When all accounts are blown, says Mario. That's the true DGen gang. I don't. That's why you're bad when the accounts are green. Well, here's where we're at currently on today's session. Hang on. I just realized that. So I have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've traded 8 accounts today. All of them are green. So that's the question. Should I stop trading for the day? Or is it, hey, if it's going well, why stop? Right? You could look at it both ways. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure sometimes. When you're green and you tell yourself that same question, yeah, I know, right? I stop if I'm up P&L and I give back 20% of my profit. My thing has always been, like, I'll keep trading and cycling through the accounts until I have a losing trade. And then, like, if I have a losing trade, then I stop. Get out before I get wrecked. That's kind of what I feel like, too. Because I'm one trade away from getting trapped and taking a... My stop loss is like, what, 600 and... My stop loss is like $690. So I'm one trade away from having a $700 red day on one account. But then my thought is, even if I have a $700 red day on one account, I'm still green. So, you know, it's not like it's that terrible if I get one account that is red $700. It's not like it's that big of a deal. So anyway, it's kind of I stop when I see chop. Ooh, I like that. You should make that into a song, Travis. I stop when I see chop. Well, so far we definitely haven't seen chop. I think I will stop trading this account for sure, because this account, oh, you know what? I do have to trade my 250K accounts. Oh man, I just realized this. I guess I don't have to. I did want to trade these two accounts that are the 50K accounts that are now at 54,220. Just so I have so I can have a traded day on them. I don't think, even if I trade these today and tomorrow though, I still don't have 10 days traded for, like, I won't be able to request a payout on these accounts this pay period anyway. So, you know what? It really doesn't matter. I don't need to trade those today. And I don't think I will. Because my next payout window then would be the 1st of August. And I think I've traded those accounts now for 5 days. So that gives me plenty. I have plenty of time to trade those for 5 days in the next 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm good. I'm not going to chase. Or I'm not going to. But look at this market. Man, this is crazy. I mean, we had, first of all, we have a move, you know, from the 285, we sell off all the way down to the 900 level. 180 point move lower. And then we have a 100 point move higher. And now we're getting close to another 100 point move lower. Actually, we already have a 100 point move lower. Like, that is crazy. If you're looking to if you're looking to capture 100 points, then today might be your day. But there's also the chance, you know, it's very easy to blow an account on days like today because of the volatility. One mini, and you can be on the wrong side of a trade with one mini and your account is toast. If you see the chop, you better be ready to get chopped. Yeah, exactly. I know. That's the thing. Like, even with my stop loss, which is pretty big stop loss, with this kind of volatility, it does not take much to get stopped out. So once you traded 10 days and you hit 52,600, you want to, then I request my payout. Yes. Hey, Mr. Knife Art. How we doing? If I still use Quant Tower, I don't. Knife Art, no. All of this is Ninja Trader. I only trade on Ninja Trader. I think I used Quant Tower like one time that I had issues with Ninja Trader, but I do use Quant Tower, and no, I do not copy trade my accounts. I trade all my accounts one at a time, which is kind of slow and painful process at times, but, you know, then you get denied for being a scammer and a schemer. We should, you know what Apex should do? They should start, if you get denied a payout, they automatically send you a t-shirt that has Apex Trader Funding, and then on the back it'll say pay, like, schemer and a scammer, payout denied, stamped over top of it. Oh man, that'd be oh snap, we just ripped through the lows. Man, oh man. Wow, this is crazy. I don't know that I want to keep messing with this. I feel like this is playing with fire. But wow, what a move. Like, again, from the 20s down through the 80s now, down through the 70s. That's a 150 point move. That is crazy. Crazy times, man. That is crazy. Wow. You make good money riding the waves? Yeah. If only we knew the waves, you know? But I agree, you definitely could just go with the current 2-minute trend. You asked for a payout and all I got was this t-shirt. You could do that too. Schemers and scammers will be denied. Shoot. Too funny. I only trade well for 2 to 3 weeks after getting tilted. It's all gone. Oh man, any advice? A gambling trader? I mean, I feel like that was me for a very, very long time. And honestly, I don't care how you get there, but you do have to, you just have to get to a point where you understand that you have to have discipline. You have to have self-discipline. You got to know when to walk away. And I'm not saying that I always do. I still struggle with that. But when I wasn't getting payouts, or here's how I look at it. When I was struggling with not getting payouts, I felt like I had a tilt session. Like I had a blow up tilt session like once every week. Like once a week, I had a blow up tilt session. And then eventually it gets to once every 2 weeks. But you start to pinpoint the triggers. Like if you have a trigger that you know if this happens, like you know what it is, and if this happens, you just get mad. So when the triggers start happening, you need to have the discipline to walk away. Because once you're in a tilt mode, usually then it's too late. But I feel like now I still struggle with tilt. Like yesterday, I went on tilt yesterday. Obviously, thankfully, it actually didn't hurt me that time, but I still struggle with tilt, but it's a less frequent struggling with tilt. So the less you struggle with it and the more discipline you have, the better chance you will have of getting a payout. Because I think a lot of people can trade and they can put together winning trade after winning trade or winning day after winning day. But then if you're going on tilt once every week, you're going to wipe out all those consistent gains. But if you're only going on tilt once a month, you will likely be able to at least get some payouts. But it really, it sounds cliche and everyone says it and XYZ, whatever, but it's true. It's the reason everyone says it. It is true. Like, I am a very, very firm believer that yes, having somewhat of a system for your trading, like your trading system or your strategy, really to me is almost there more for the reason to keep you from over trading. Obviously, but risk management and discipline is going to be way more important, because if you don't have discipline and you can constantly go on tilt, I don't care what strategy you have, you will not survive. You just can't survive if you have tilt sessions. So, I don't know. My 2 cents, it is really, and it's not easy. Like, I don't really think every person is unique. Some people, they don't struggle as much with going on tilt. And it just comes more natural to them. Other people, it's a real issue. But bottom line is, you do have to get control of your tilt sessions. You got to know when you're going on tilt, when you're about to go on tilt, and have the ability to walk away. Once you start doing that, that's when I think really you'll start seeing a difference, in my opinion. But we all struggle with it, man. We all struggle with it. My trigger is not using a stop loss and taking a huge loss and then I tilt. Yeah, Carolina. See, I have like a couple triggers, and I've written them down. One of my triggers is if I enter a trade and it goes right up to my take profit, like by a couple ticks, but doesn't hit me and then just drops and stops me out, that's one trigger. My other trigger is when I micromanage my trades. Like when I start micromanaging my trades and I get out of my trades for no reason, and like that's the second thing that gets me on tilt. And the third thing is having like 3 losing trades in a row, like 3 or more. Like if I just have 3, and it's almost also where like you enter a trade and it just immediately goes to your stop loss. And if I do that for a couple, like 2 or 3 trades in a row, that will put me on tilt as well. So try to watch for that. And then if that starts happening, the key is to walk away before you're on tilt, because if you're on tilt, I feel like then it's too bad. It's too late. It's kind of like when, I mean, it's kind of like, like I say, you lose all control over your bodily functions. You don't have any more control over your hands, your finger clicking. You have no more control. Once you're on a tilt session, usually the only thing that stops you from trading is once, for me, it's either if I actually get green or the account is blown. It's one or the other. If you feel that coming on, it's definitely time to stop. Yeah, exactly. Revenge trading. Yep. Hey, Soul Search Gurus. Good morning. How we doing? Guardian Angel Trader has helped me eliminating the ability to trade when I'm on tilt. Sean Kerr. Yes. Guardian Angel Trader has definitely been a great... Honestly, what Guardian Angel Trader really helped me with, I actually don't currently have it installed anymore. I actually need to reach out to him again because he did some updates that I think fixed my issues, but that I currently had with that at the moment. But one thing that Guardian Angel Trader really helped me was for a couple times, there were a couple times where I was about to go on tilt, and then Guardian Angel Trader stopped me from trading. And like the way Guardian Angel Trader works is there's no workaround. Like you literally can't trade. And I tried everything I could to bypass Guardian Angel Trader and I couldn't. And I finally gave up and I actually did stop trading. And what it really showed me and was kind of an aha moment for me is then the next day. Like the next day because it was one of those sessions where I was red and I was on tilt and I was determined I was going to get those accounts back to green, but I couldn't. But then the next day, coming back the next day after not trading that previous day was actually kind of a clarity moment for me, because it was like, wait a minute. I realized the next day that the loss that I took in the grand scheme of things really wasn't that bad. And I had a completely fresh mindset heading into the new day. And I was very thankful that I didn't trade that previous day and that I still had the accounts remaining. And it really wasn't as bad as I made it out to be the previous day. And once that happened a couple times, I started to buy into the whole thing of stop trading, that it actually is beneficial. If your payout is approved and the money removed from the account and you blow the account the next day, do you still get the payout? Yes, you do, Stephen. So that's the beauty. That's why I always say, wait till you're actually approved to trade that account, because now, even if you blow the account, you will still get the payout. Once yeah, exactly, Travis. Once the balance is adjusted, you are good to go. All right, 840s. I mean, let's look at the 4-hour chart here. I mean, I think the 760s is, I don't know. We do have a little bit of support here at the 820s. But man, look at this daily chart now. Whew. Man, that's some crazy moves. If I eat extra nutty bars when I go on tilt, yes, I do sometimes. I'm also a stress eater. So if I start having a lot of stress in my life, then I eat too much. So yes, that does happen sometimes. All the mattresses are ruined. I try to quit trading by 11 o'clock. Okay, yeah, Dean Bishop. Sometimes that wouldn't be a bad idea. Oh, Rosie Rose. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Blew my account trying to make up each loss. Oh, we've all been there. Oh, I'm sorry, Rosie Rose. That sucks. But yeah, next time it's just walk away. We've all done it. We've all done it. We've all been there. Does my wife let me eat nutty bars in bed? You know, I guess I've never tried, but I'm going to say she would probably be opposed. There is a lot of crumbs when you eat a nutty bar, so me personally, I'm not one that I would probably be the one that wouldn't allow it. Well, I'm trying to think if there's really any point in continuing to trade or even think about trading. To be honest, I'm very happy with today. I'm all green. I'm totally content and happy with my trading today. So, is there really a reason to keep trading? Hmm. Duck race. Ooh, you know what, guys? Yeah, we need to do another duck race. Thank you for reminding me. Let me give me a second. We got to make sure we do a duck race before we end the stream. Oh. Okay, let me All right. All right. We are going to do a giveaway, folks. As the market continues to go lower down to the 820s. Unreal. Ooh. Exclamation mark Nutty to be entered. Exclamation mark Nutty, and you will be entered. And we're going to have a duck race. I'm not sure yet how we're going to do it, but maybe we'll do 20 contestants. No, that's almost too many. Wow, through the 820s now, down to the 815s. I'm willing to wager 500. All right, giveaways open for another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes. We'll be doing an eval giveaway. Any account size, and except for the 25K. For some reason, the codes do not work for the 25K accounts. Okay, here we go. The 805s. This looks like we're going to go to the 800s for sure. Man, that is... What a move. What a move today. Down through the 800s. Hey, Kid Poker. Wait, what happened? Going back to a real job NQ down 500 points yesterday and dumping again. Yeah, I know. I know. No way, Kid Poker. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, today's the day where you can, it's just very difficult. Especially if you get trapped and this thing just keeps going lower. Gotta think we're gonna go test that 750 area. Right here, 720s. And now we're getting a bounce. Now the question is always just how big of a bounce will it be? This is why it's not that easy to trade this kind of move, because these bounces can, I mean, this was a 100-point rip higher. Karen Gill. Mentorship on YouTube made -2. Oh, that's too funny. Look at that. Look at that rip higher now. But look at this. Like, this doesn't look like this big of a move, but this is right now almost a 50-point bounce. That's where it gets so dangerous to try to just, you short at the wrong time, you get some pain. And it's a good reason to just chill. Wow, look, see that? Oh my gosh, this thing's ripping. Now we had a 60-point move higher. 60 points in just 2 minutes. That's where it's just, it's so dangerous. Yeah, watch it go test the 900s. Honestly, I wouldn't even be surprised. Would not even be surprised. We could go test this 920 again. That's what's crazy. All right, we got 30 seconds left in the giveaway. 30 seconds left in the giveaway. Exclamation mark Nutty. And now we're pulling back a little bit. Wait, hang on. My timer is stuck. That was weird. 11:29. I apologize. I think. Yeah, the giveaway is over. The giveaway, we don't have that many contestants, so hey, you should have a good chance of winning. Man, it's kind of, you know what? We're going to do let's. Man, I'm so tempted to go short right here. Oh. I feel like it's stupid for me to think about taking another trade. You know what? I'm not going to do it. I'm not doing it. I'm not going to do it. All right. All right, let's pick the names and get this giveaway done. Yeah, that's basically Milliman, that's my thing. I do not need to take one more trade and then have a losing trade. Like, this is how things spiral out of control. You take one more trade and then it's a loss. So then you try to make up for that loss by taking another trade, and that's a loss. And then all of a sudden you're just mad and you go on tilt. And you know how it goes. You know, we just don't need that. We don't have the brain capacity to deal with that. So, all right, let's do the giveaway. All right, we are going to, I think what we're going to do, we're going to pick 10 people, and the top three, actually, yeah, we can do 15. Let's do 15 people. 15 or 10. I feel like 15 is kind of a lot. All right. Sarith is the first one to be entered. Congratulations and good luck. Next one, Josh R. Hang on. Next is Flojo. Next one is Mark Milliman. Congratulations, or I mean, good luck. You haven't won anything yet. Jam Bear. Nicely done. Pete A. Joseph Raby. Justice. Good luck. I'm entering all the names here. Oh, look at that. BPCF Gaming for the third straight day has made it into the... He's made it. That's crazy. Okay, there's number 10. Jay Wilson, good luck. Good luck. Okay, I'm going to pick 5 more names. We're going to... Actually, no, you know what? We're going to do 2 more. We're going to do 2 more names. The first name is Alpha Bear. This is number 11. And then we got Mitch Marvin. Let's go, Mitch Marvin. All right. We have... Let me make sure I copy all these names. All right, everybody. We're going to do 12. There's 12 people in the duck race, okay? 12 people are in the duck race. All right, guys, here we go. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Let's turn on the sound. All right. We need to set 2 minutes. We're going to do a 2-minute race. Top 3. If you finish in the money, which is first, second, or third place. That's right, Travis. Best code, best pass rate. Oh, I love it. Okay. We are going to do 2 minutes. Okay. 2-minute race. Here's all the names. And good luck, everybody. Top 3 will get a code for a free eval. Here we go. Are we ready? Hang on. I need to make sure you guys can see everything. Yeah, I think so. All right, here we go. And they are off. Taking the early lead is Mitch Marvin and Alpha Bear. Pete A making a move. Okay, I like it. Oh, wow. Sarith, Mark Milliman, Pete A, Alpha Bear, and Mitch Marvin are off to the races. Now Mark Milliman looks like he's picking up some speed, taking the lead, taking the early lead. Now he might run out of gas. Okay, now we've got Sarith trying to make a move. Mitch Marvin falling back. Oh, BPCF Gaming's making a move. He's picking up speed. Josh R as well. Flojo, they're making a move. Alpha Bear, Mark Milliman is still in the lead. We got 1 minute. We got 1 lap down. We got 1 minute left. Here we go. Josh R and Flojo. Oh, here's Jam Bear making a move. Jam Bear is in the lead currently. BPCF Gaming is falling back, man. You need to get that duck some protein or something. Mitch Marvin making another move. Mitch Marvin is picking up speed. Flojo's currently winning, followed with Josh R. Again, you just need to be top 3. Oh, here comes Mark Milliman. He's picking up speed. 30 seconds left. Oh, Mitch Marvin is making a push. He found some more speed. Here comes Mitch Marvin toward the finish line. 20 seconds remaining. Josh R. Oh, no. Josh R. just hit a speed bump. Joseph Raby out of nowhere. Here he comes, putting on speed. Mitch Marvin completely ran out of gas. You hate to see it. Oh, wait. Here comes Flojo. Flojo out of nowhere. And... oh, that was crazy. Flojo with the win, but who was in second and third place? Here it is. Let's look. We got a photo finish But I think we got to admit, Joseph Raby, I don't even know. Raby. Pink wins again. Maybe this is staged. But we got Justice, Joseph Raby, and Flojo with the win. Congratulations. Congratulations. I'm starting to see that with the duck race, you do not want to take the early lead. The early lead is just doesn't work well usually. All right, here we go. I will give you guys my email, and I just need you guys to email me. Send me an email, and I'll give you directions on how you can get that free eval. You'll never get that 4 minutes back. That's right. And you're going to like it. What the duck do I have to do to get in? I don't know, Mockery. Be lucky, I guess. Josh R was sabotaged. Oh, man. Now, that was pretty funny. Wow, look at this. This market, I definitely need to stop trading for the day because I don't know. I can just tell if I'm a one trade away from a disaster. I go on tilt from the race, full shorts incoming. Hey, it's not my show. It's not my fault. I need a better choice for extra points for those who aren't racing. Yeah, I've thought about that too. How could we do it that before we start the race, everyone can bet, like you can bet your points on which duck will win, and then if you're right, you'll get like whatever, odds on the on your points. We should somehow do that. Anyway, send the 3 that won. Please send me your send me an email and I'll get you those codes. Wow, look at this. Bounce right off the 780s. These are some crazy moves. These are actually, this market conditions is actually what I prefer when I'm trying to pass evals. Always bet against my duck. Yeah. I do kind of like the duck race better. I feel like the duck race is faster, and I don't know. I like it. Now there are some other races that we can do as well that we might play with in the future. 3rd place winner. Okay, awesome. Thank you, Jay Lee. All right, I'm gonna. All right, I just replied. Please enter that 4-digit code into chat. Let's go. Flojo was juiced. Yeah, she was. Hey, let's go, Justice. So, Justice, you should get a 4-digit code. Just need you to put that 4-digit code. There it is. Thank you very much. That is all I need. I will send you now the email with the code for the free eval. Haha, very good try, guys. You guys are trying to guess the code. We all know there's no shot you're ever guessing the code. All right? Let me. Okay, Flojo, yes, got your code as well. Congratulations. Okay, Joseph Raby, I just sent you an email. Reply to your email. I need you to enter that 4-digit code into chat, and I will get you the code. Hey, let's go, Justice. You used my code to buy 150K eval this morning. Let's go. Well, now, yeah, you can do any size account except for the 25K account. For some reason, the code does not work for the 25K account, I discovered. We knew Flojo would win because of her name. Yeah. How does using the code work? So where you would normally put the code NBT in, you just put in the code that I just sent to your email. That you put in that code, and that should be that'll give you the discount of 100% discount. Wait, you can't believe I won right after blowing a PA this morning. Hey, let's go, Joseph. Then you are getting it's going to the right person. Joseph, I did send you an email with a code. Just need you to respond into chat with that 4-digit code, and I will send it your way. Send the code your way. Oh. Oh, poor Marakawa. Oh man, I don't know why. I don't know why it's so fun watching professional golfers struggle. Hey, Joseph, thank you very much for that. And all right, Joseph, I just sent you the code to enter, and that should give you a free eval. Congratulations. Congrats to everyone for the Joseph, Flojo, And Justice, congrats on winning. And thanks everyone for playing. Okay, let's look into Hey, you're welcome, Joseph Raby. You are very welcome. It's still asking me to add a card number. Yeah, you still need to enter your number, but the cost should be $0. And the reason it's for that is just if the rebilling date comes up, that's what it will use. So obviously, if you blow the account, just make sure you cancel it if you don't want to get rebilled. Okay. Well, you know what, guys? I think I'm going to end it here. This is to hold me accountable. This is a screenshot of my currently how my trading has been for the day currently. And let's keep it this way for the recap video. Hey, God bless you as well, Justice. So I am very happy with today's results, and I am just going to shut down trading for the day. There's no reason to do anything that makes me have regrets. So let's just end on a good note, and we'll be back at it tomorrow, and hopefully string together some nice green days. All right, guys, we'll be back tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. Appreciate the support, and God bless.